which is square, rectangle, circle, triangle, etc. For 3D, it is cube, cuboid, sphere, cone. Okay. So now today we are going to see about parallelograms. Parallelograms. Okay. Before that, can you tell me what you already know about quadrilaterals?
Ma'am, quadrilaterals are four-sided figures. There are
Yeah,
four angles also.
yeah, exactly. So quadrilaterals are four sides shapes. Okay. Four sided shapes are known as quadrilaterals. Today we are going to see the special types of quadrilaterals. So the first one is nothing but a parallelogram. Okay, this is a quadrilateral that here both opposite sides are equal. I will differentiate in different color. Wait. Here opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now we have to name A, B, C, D here now. Parallelogram is a four-sided figure where both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Here it is an ABCD parallelogram. So AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Okay. If this property satisfied now, ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. So the
Okay.
second shape. So the second shape is what? A rhombus. So rhombus. For rhombus, here. Rhombus is also a quadrilateral with four sides. It is also known as a parallelogram because here also opposite sides are equal. But for rhombus, all the four sides are similar, equal. Okay, this is A, B, C, D. Rhombus is A. It satisfied parallelogram's property also. AB is equal to CD. AD is equal to BC. And also extra, it can satisfy AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay. If this property also satisfied, now it is rhombus. So the third shape. Third shape is nothing but rectangle. So rectangle. This is rectangle ABCD. This is also a parallelogram. Here also opposite sides are parallel. But it is little exceptional than parallelogram. The angle should be 90 degree. The four angles should be 90 degree. But parallelogram, that angles need not to be 90 degree. It will be little tilted. Okay. See here also the property AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. And additionally, angles A, and angle B and angle C and angle D should be equal to 90 degree. Okay, up to this it is parallelogram. Additional with the parallelogram, this should be proved. Then only it is known as rectangle. If with this it is proved now, it should be a rhombus. Okay, so the fourth shape is nothing but a square. For square, like this. So A, B, C, D. Square is also like a parallelogram, rhombus itself, because here all the four sides are equal. So here also AB is parallel to CD, AD is parallel to BC, and also AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Additionally, all the angles should be 90 degree. Should be 90 degree. Then it is a square. So, rhombus is nothing but a tilted square. Without 90 degree, it is rhombus. If the angles are 90 degree now, it is square. Okay.
Okay.
So, the third shape is the fifth shape is trapezium. So trapezium is nothing but it is also a quadrilateral, because which are having four sides. Here opposite side, this one side should be parallel. These sides are not equal. Okay. So here A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, we are naming that. It is a quadrilateral. Here AB only equal to CD, where this D is not equal to BC. I'm telling like this side. This side is not equal. This side only equal and parallel. If this opposite sides, one of the opposite sides parallel, now it is trapezium. All the opposite sides are parallel, then it is a rhombus, square, rectangle, then parallelogram. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, in trapezium, the opposite sides for AB and CD, they are not the same size, right?
No, it's they are not in the same size, but they are parallel. They are going in the same directions, right? They are
Yes, ma'am.
going. This is the axis. Okay, this is the axis. How we are telling if they are parallel or not? Now, this is the axis. If you are drawing like this shape here, this also going in x-axis. This also going in x-axis. If they are going in the same axis now, it should be parallel. But
Okay, ma'am.
here see this another side, this orange color side, they are not even going in any axis. That's why it is not equal and not even parallel. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Square na, it should be all sides are equal, but for here it should be parallel only, not equal. It can be 10 here, it can be 16 here. The measurements may be different for them, but it should be go in same axis. That's why it's parallel.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay, these are the special types of quadrilaterals. So from this today we are going to see the properties of parallelograms and sums using parallelograms formula. Parallelogram. So the first thing, parallelogram is nothing but a tilted rectangle. Okay, I'm drawing a ABCD parallelogram. This property for this sides are equal and these two opposite sides are equal. Okay, now we can write this as first property is AB is equal to AB is equal to CD. Okay, and AD is equal to DC. Okay, here the second property is the opposite angles also equal. Like here, the angle D is equal to angle B. So we can write angle B is equal to angle D. And these opposite angles, angle A and angle C also equal. So angle A is equal to angle C. Okay. So first property is this AB is equal to CD and the AD is equal to CB. The second property is opposite angles are equal for parallelogram. So the third angle is diagonals bisect each other. So what is diagonal? Diagonal is nothing but the the line drawn between the shape is known as diagonal. Here for parallelogram, this is a diagonal. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here, this is the diagonal. Here, this is the diagonal. Not only this side, this also a diagonal.
Okay.
This also a diagonal. So here, this also a diagonal. They are telling like diagonal bisect each other. This point, it bisect, right? This is O. So third property of this parallelogram is diagonals bisect each other. Why particularly they are telling like now in some shapes, not in rectangle square, in some other cases, sometimes diagonal doesn't bisect. That's why here they are particularly telling diagonal bisect each other. Okay. Okay. So let's see the examples for parallelogram. So let's see example 1. So in your book, I think the first example is two adjacent angles of parallelogram are in the ratio. So first of all, we are doing solution. In solution, what are the given? We have to write, right? So the given is two adjacent angles, which is in the ratio of 2:3. Okay. Here, to find what? To find each angle. Okay. So just think. Uh, Here in this ABCD parallelogram, ABC, just take ABC itself. This is A, this is B, this is C. Am I right? Let's see, it's like a triangle, no? A triangle with the angle. In triangle, we know the property, all the angles are like angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which is known as 180 degree. Am I right?
Yes,
Sum
ma'am.
of the all angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Okay. By using this property here, here there are parallelogram is nothing but adding two triangles. Just see here, what are the two triangles? A, C, B. This is one triangle. A, B, C. This is one triangle.